Oh my, this crew's in trouble quick down here at Haulover. Welcome back, guys, to Boats vs. Haulover. A main machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, typically in a 5-round competition, but I don't know if we're going to get 5 rounds today. This might be a TKO early for Haulover Inlet. This crew has took on a ton of water and are in big trouble down here at the inlet, but let's go back and look at exactly what happened. So it started off with this boat stuffing the bow and slowing them down drastically. Then this yacht comes through and basically the wake from the yacht completely inundates this boat, and they find themselves in the situation they're in right now. Now the good news is it doesn't appear they're in any jeopardy. I'm sure they've lost all power. Both motors are probably out in this boat, but they've got plenty of people around. I mean, somebody just really needs to try and get a line on these guys and see if we can get them towed in. So the Bal Harbour Police Department has shown up out here, and it looks like one of the jet boats is going to move toward the bow of this boat and probably attempt at getting a tow line on them. This is going to be a tough tow. There's going to be a ton of weight in this boat. And even though I did say it earlier that somebody probably should get a tow line on this boat and try and get them out, they're out of the inlet. They're not really in danger, and really want to evaluate this situation again, they probably should not go for this tow. This is one of those tows that's probably better left to the professionals. Like, you need to call one of the towboat guys, have them come out there and deal with this, because things can drastically go wrong, especially trying to tow this much weight. Well, this crew's going to try it anyway, so they're making their way toward the mouth of the inlet, but you can tell they're really struggling. The boats are trying to get over, but the reality is they're having a tough time controlling it, and it's because there's so much weight in the vessel that's being towed behind them. And I promise you, the lines they're using to do this tow are not strong enough for this situation. And oh my, this has not gone well. I don't know what they're doing, but both boats have now wound up over here by the beach. It's pretty far away from Haulover, so I apologize about the quality, guys, because we're just zoomed out as max as we can be zoomed out to try and get these incidents. But man, they're both gonna beach right here in the surf, and I can't believe it. They tried to get the tow in, and these guys just could not make it work. And they need to get the boat that's in good shape quickly off the surf, because this could turn bad for them as well. Right here you can see this boat's being rocked around. A couple waves come over the beam of this vessel, and they're in as much trouble as the other guy. Oh, that's a close one. Guys, get that boat off the beach. I mean, and there's plenty of people here to do it, but I mean, same deal. Somebody's gonna probably have to put a tow line on a jet ski and try and get the white boat off too, or we're gonna have 2 victims in this day. Guys, once again, typically it's a 5-round competition, but Haulover went for the knockout in round 1, so we won't be doing the 5 rounds because this is definitely a Haulover win. But now the question is how bad does it get? I have to imagine the red boat's done. When I say the red boat's done, I mean they're not getting the red boat off the beach. It's done. It's there at this point in time. But the white boat, they should be able to get off. And here we go, the crew, the jet skis are leaving, and the guys in the white boat are trying to push the bow back out into the surf, hoping and praying they can get this boat out. The red boat's still getting blasted. And after a whole lot of work, the white boat was removed, but this is it. This is the aftermath right here. And as we mentioned, this is a Haulover win. And just as a good reminder why you have tow insurance.